distinguished regional government officials, esteemed representative of Mission for Mission and FSA and Foundation RTL, honorable guests, and the fellow community members of our village and the surroundings. Assalamu alaikum. Today is a remarkable day in the history of our community as we gather to celebrate the opening of the new build by the Mission for Mission organization. The monumental achievement marks a significant milestone in our collective efforts to improve the lives and the futures of our children. On the behalf of the Baabili District Administration, I extend my hearty gratitude and congratulations to everyone who made this dream reality. Your dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment have enabled us to this proud moment. To our regional government officials, thanks for your continuous support and belief in the potential of our community. Your guidance and partnership have been instrumental in making this project successful. To Mission for Mission, for your generous and vision have given our children the gift of education. This school is not just a building, it is a beacon of hope, a place where young minds will flourish and dreams will be nourished. Your contribution will have a lasting impact of our community for generation to income. As we celebrate these wonderful achievements, we kind request that you continue support other vital sectors of our community. Especially your continued partnership will help us address various needs and create living to the people of our village and surroundings areas. This school belongs to you. Let us embrace this opportunity with open hearts and minds. Together, we will ensure that every child receives education they deserve, empowering them to build a brighter future for themselves and our community. Let us celebrate this achievement with joy and pride, knowing that we have laid the foundation for better tomorrow. Congratulations once again to everyone involved, and many this should be a symbol for our unity, resilience, and hope. Thank you very much. Abdul Did, head of the Baabili District Administration. Thank you very much. Was my team, Kalatoba, Amasagnalo.